Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to show you how to make hummus, but before I do that, I wanted to talk quickly about garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Garbanzo beans have been eaten in the Middle East for over 7,500 years. They have a really nutty, creamy flavor to them, and they're super delicious and easy to incorporate into a lot of foods. Garbanzo beans are very high in fiber, folate, vitamins A, C, E, iron, protein, and they also aid in weight loss. They improve your digestion, and they also help to reduce the risks of many diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and many cancers. So garbanzo beans are part of the legume family, and you may have seen these are the kabuli type, the cream colored, and then there's also the darker, the desi type. Those ones are actually higher in antioxidants. They have a slightly different flavor. Garbanzo beans are extremely inexpensive, especially if you buy them dry. And I like to make hummus a lot because it's good as a dip for your veggies or crackers. You can also spread it on your sandwiches or incorporate it into your soup, and it makes it really creamy. There are a lot of ways that you can eat hummus, so let me show you how to make it. Here are the ingredients I'll be using, and I'll let you know about the measurements in the video. So I didn't have any canned garbanzo beans, so I'm just going to make some in my Instant Pot. 3/4 of a cup, you just fill it up with water and then cook it on high pressure for 40 minutes. This made about 2 cups of cooked beans, but you could just use canned beans if you would like. So here I am just draining the beans, and this liquid at the bottom is called aquafaba. It's actually a really good idea to keep that liquid. You may want to use it in your hummus. This would be the same liquid that is in a can of beans. To your food processor or high-speed blender, add 1/3 cup of tahini, a tablespoon of crushed garlic, half a teaspoon of dried cumin, half a cup of lemon juice, and 2 cups of drained garbanzo beans, and half a teaspoon of salt. Process this for about 1 minute. Then scrape down the walls and check the consistency. This is the spot where you should add some aquafaba if you like your hummus a bit creamier. I tasted mine and added a little bit more lemon juice and salt, and then I blended again. Hummus is a delicious and easy way to get those high nutrient garbanzo beans into your body. Thank you so much for watching.